Hello, my dear students. This is Pushpa Vardrajan from Army Public School, K. Kamaraja Road, Bangalore. Today, we are going to learn about integers. Already you know natural numbers. That is, natural numbers starts with 1, 2, these natural numbers are also called as counting numbers. Natural numbers or counting numbers. You know another set of numbers called whole numbers. Whole numbers starts with 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. up to infinity. 0 is the smallest whole number and you cannot write the greatest whole number. In this class, you are going to learn another set of numbers called integers. Integers, put some dots, then -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. 0 comes in between. All the positive numbers comes towards right side of 0 and all the negative numbers comes towards left side of 0. That means integers are set of numbers with positive sign and numbers with negative sign along with 0. 0 is an integer without any sign. You cannot write +0 or -0. 0 is just 0. Now you can represent integers on the number line. Now here it is +1, +2, +3, +4, etc. And towards the left it is -1, -2, -3, -4, etc. See, in the right side there are +1, +2, +3, +4 like that. Even if you don't write plus, it is understood it is plus. But whenever there is minus, you have to represent that number with the minus sign. 0 is less than all the positive numbers and 0 is greater than all the negative numbers. 0 is greater than -1, -1 is greater than -2 and -2 is greater than -3 and so on. There are times where we have to use negative numbers, where we have to represent numbers with negative sign. For example, when we have to deposit money in the bank, we have to represent that number with positive sign. A person is depositing 500 rupees to the bank, then we have to write that number as +500. When we have to withdraw the money or take out the money from the bank, that number we have to represent with the negative sign. For example, a person is withdrawing 200 rupees from the bank, then we have to write -200. Similarly, if we consider 0 is the temperature of the ice all the numbers which comes above 0 is represented by plus sign, and all the numbers which comes below 0 degree is represented by negative sign. Similarly, if we say a aeroplane is flying at the height of 1200 meters above the ground level, if we say, then that number we have to represent with plus 1200. Similarly, if we say a submarine is moving at the depth of 200 meters below the sea level, then that number is represented by minus 200 meters. Similarly, if we say there is a business in that there is profit of rupees 500, then we have to represent that number with 500. That means profit we have to represent with plus sign, and similarly loss we have to represent it with a minus sign. For example, in a business there is 300 rupees loss, then we have to represent minus 300. Therefore, there is a requirement or there is a necessity of using negative numbers in the daily life. Now, in the next video, we are going to learn how to add or subtract integers, that is positive and negative numbers, and also how to represent these integers on the number line. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.